Welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change the color on your charts on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the color on your charts on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, on this interface at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the chart button available for us. Tap on the chart button and you land over here where you can see the settings or the gear icon over here at the bottom right corner of the screen where I'm tapping. Just below this price bar, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and this kind of tab will appear where you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom and tap on more settings. And you can see, guys, let's go back. Now you can see either there is the canvas through which you will be able to change the background color, the grid lines, cross your watermark, each of these over here, and there is the symbol option over here from which you can change the color of your candles. Now depending upon which you want to change the colors on your chart, you can do that. So play with the canvas over here and also the symbol option over here, and you'll find out which changes which one. And with that being done, guys, you'll be able to change the colors on your chart. And guys, this is how to change colors on your chart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.